Hi there, my name is Brittany Flanerick and I'm doing the video prompt with birds. So this was about the decrease in bird population in the US and Canada since 1970s, and it continues to decline. Based on the article that I read and also watched the video, scientists fear that this is just the tip of the iceberg, and they fear it because once once birds leave, then we have like an overabundance of certain insects that start to affect the environment, and then that'll just keep going essentially. And then off the ways to help, which one helps birds? Well, the first one would be coffee that's bird safe, and then windows that are safe for birds too. And then would help other organisms, things like keeping the cat inside is one of them definitely, because cats like to eat all sorts of things. And then I would say decrease in pesticides. That's just a couple I can think of. I'm just going to go to the article real quick here. Um, Plastics, definitely something that can help both environments, like, I mean, honestly. And then, let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's about it based on the 3 billion birds.org. So, thank you so much.